Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to partition your hard drive. So please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and share my video to help others. So without wasting much time, let's proceed. So I'll be partitioning this partition of the hard drive. So all I have to do is click on computer, manage, click on disk management. So I'll be partitioning this partition of the hard drive. So what I have to do is right click on it and click on shrink volume. So this is the total size in which we want to create a new partition from, and this is the available space, shrink space. And here I have to enter the amount of space in which I want my new partition to be. So as you can see, this this partition is 241 gigabyte. So what I have to do is, I think I want one partition to be 100 gigabytes. So what I have to do is I change it here, I put my 100. To convert this, it's pretty easy. What you have to do is, like, let's say you want to partition your hard drive, and one of the partitions should be 50 gigabytes, and you have a 100 gigabyte hard drive. All you have to do is take that 50 gigabyte in which you want to partition and multiply it by 1024. It will give you the amount of space you can shrink in megabytes, and you can just type it here. So that's how you do it. So I'll just click on shrink. So that's it. A new partition has been created. So what I have to do, like right now, it's not displaying here. I have to install it. So what I have to do is right click on it, click on new simple volume, next, and decide you can decide the letter for it. I'll just allow it at E, and next, and click on finish. So you wait for some time. Okay, I think everything is good. So that's it. New volume E. You can start using this hard drive and to store whatever you want to store. So guys, that's how you partition a hard drive. Please, if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And thank you for watching my video.